Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, they loving the crew.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by PoshGlad braided wigs, and they sent me this beautiful braided wig. I don't remember what this braid style is called, but all I know is I pretty much love this wig. And as you can see, you can do you can do different styles with it. If you want to do the way how they did the braid patterns, guys, I'm here for it. I'm living for it. So basically they did it in a way where you can actually have two side parts. So you can either put it on this side and then you have, like, you know, right here showing, or you can wear it almost like a middle part type of thing, but not really a middle part, but pretty much like this, that you can wear it down like this, with the braids going back and then these going down on the sides. Or if you want to do a side part on this side, you can definitely do that as well. But for me, this is my better side, so my side parts are always on this side, or I try to always make it on this side. I'm just gonna put it back, which I'm very happy about, because realistically, who does not like a wig that is very versatile? You know what I'm saying? And the fact that it's already braided, a lot of people probably think like, there's not much to do with it than just to wear it in the braided style. But the fact that you can wear it on either sides, you can wear it in a quote-unquote middle part, I feel like it is literally, you're getting at the best of both worlds. What else? I don't remember what else. Do I have anything else to say, you guys? Not really. I don't really have anything else to say than just like, yeah, I really love this wig. Honestly, I really love this wig. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, or like what I had to do, because I did have to actually cut out two of the braids, just because the braids were over the lace, and if I did not do that, then it would have been like bugging my ear tabs, and I didn't want that. So I ended up having to cut off two of the braids, which it's okay, like it's okay, like it still came out cute. It still came out cute, as you can see. But yeah, if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then for sure keep on watching. So hey guys, I feel like I haven't done a talk through wig install for a very long time, so let's start this one. This video is sponsored by PoshGlad. I'm sure I'm going to say it in the intro, but just in case I don't say it, it's sponsored by PoshGlad, and they sent me this braided wig. Honestly, I've been loving braided wigs since forever. I did install a next one, because they actually sent me two wigs. I installed the first one, so I have this one left, but obviously the video for the next one will probably be, this will probably be the second. So the video for the next one will probably be off before this. My ball cap method is kind of messed up because I'm reusing my ball cap method from the last wig, which was like 5 minutes ago. Anyways, let's just do what we have to do. So this is the wig. This is the inside of the wig. Cute, she's cute. This is the style. You guys probably won't see the style fully right now because obviously it's not on my head, but I'm living for it. I'm excited, and I hope this install goes well. But let's get into it. First, I'm going to add some foundation to my wig cap, like I always do, and I just use my regular everyday foundation. But yeah, let's just add the foundation to the cap and then come back. Has been added. Now that I've added the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to slit the sides. So this is a full-on lace wig, but I have to slit the sides just so it could go over my ears, and I normally do that before putting it on, because then sometimes it just don't slide on my head properly. So I'm going to be doing that right now, and then I'm also going to be, I don't know if you guys see this thick part right here, I'm going to cut it where this thick part is behind my ears and not in front, because I don't want it to be laying right here. So I'm gonna cut it right now.
I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal.
Okay, so I knew this wig was going to slap. Like I knew, well, let me not like jinx it, but I definitely knew it was going to give what it's supposed to give. Hopefully, you know what, let me not jinx it. Let me just continue the install, cutting out the ear tabs, all of that, because that's when it tends to start getting messy, just because the sometimes the positions of the braids are down too much to the ear tabs, and then when you're supposed to like cut the ear tabs, it does not lay flat. You normally well, you have the option to either like cut off a braid, which I think I might have to do. You have the options of like cutting off like the braids at the end, just to make sure it fits properly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to first wrap this up out the way. So I'm gonna take that out the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and pretty much just take out the baby hairs and then figure out if I need to cut any braids or the ear tabs, or if it's okay. Okay, so unfortunately I will have to cut off just a little bit of just one braid though. Like I might have to cut off that small one, just because, yeah, I will have to cut it off. Ah, I hate that. And now it fits properly. Now I'm going to have to do the same thing for this side.
You gon' miss your opportunity. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna.
Now we're gonna go ahead and do the install. And guys, if you're hearing like little shuffles in the back, it's just Kai. He just thinks wherever I am he needs to be, and I don't know why. Well, I know why, because like it's me, but still. So now when it comes to the baby hairs, they're like very tricky, because at the same time you don't want it to look too bald, but you don't want it to be too much. Honestly, I just tried mimicking like what I would actually do if I did my hair like this. If I actually braided my natural hair, how I would have probably styled my baby hairs. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do, the same thing pretty much. So let me just install the rig right now. Make sure my hairs are not bad. This is the Eben lace spray. I'm just gonna be spraying in like where you see that space.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
Okay, so now that it's on, I'm basically just going to, I wet this side already, so I'm going to just be wetting this side just to define the curls a little bit more. And I'm just using just conditioner and water in my little spray bottle, spray it on the hair, and then just use my fingers to just run through the hair.
Cozy.
And that's the only thing with these hairstyles, regardless if it's the braided wig or like you naturally doing this hairstyle. I know it always gets matted easily just because of the loose curls and the loose hair that are all over. So if you see me taking out like hairs, or if there's even a little bit of shedding, it's understandable because, like I said, naturally this hairstyle actually gets matted easily. So now the tricky part, because whenever I'm supposed to do the baby hairs, that's when it starts getting unrealistic a little bit. But I'm going to try my best to get it as natural as possible. But let me just cut off the lace first and then see what I can do.
Treat me like this. If you wonder if I hate you. Yeah, if you to make me feel just like
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Just now. $8 might say fuck the niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Just now. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel, just how I feel, just how a dollar might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel, just how I feel.
And we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, leave the last one out to get the stove. No way, log one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, like, tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream to living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Sherane and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all that non-top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box like always. So if you guys would love to purchase it, definitely check down below. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.